I am an evil person. But I'm Sarah Reese. Remember that for the future. Okay. Right now, I have to fight and punch till it's death. My good, evil twin sister. I am very ashamed to say this, but she is my twin sister. I have to fight her evil minions with mine that are very beautiful. We shall look at the evil minions. Evil! So evil. And I must, not shall, must show you mine. Those are my evil minions. That one has big eyes, and that one looks like a big old grandpa with a mustache. That's why they're beautiful. I shall start. This is the beginning of my angry revolution! I must start with Big Bro, my son. I love you, and don't forget that Mama loves you. I miss you. Do not disappoint me. Practice throw with like a good dance move. I'm done practicing. Okay, a little bit too low. I shall do another one. Here you go. Do not disappoint me. One more time. This is hard to do. Yeah! I shall win! But what am I supposed to do? I have a bunch of little guys left. These are my little people. Little people, that's why we're gonna go party with a rabbit. Come on, we're gonna go party with a rabbit. I'm partying with a rabbit. Rabito! Rabito! He's scared of me. Rabito! No! Rabito's scared of me. He is. Rabito, no! You shall not get out! No! No! See, Rabito's so mean to me. I do not like him. But he's a very good kitty. I shall get Rabito out. Rabito! Get out wherever you are. No! What am I supposed to do with Rabito? Catch. Before he pees on my hand. Come on, Rabito. 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 Okay. I'm gonna get my camera crew to grab Rabito because he's too hard for me. Okay. Yes, Rabito's a weird guy. I do not know what to do without Rabito. Rabito loves me. Oh my gosh. Rabito. I'm holding Rabito. Party in the USA. You put your rabbits up. Say say a love song. I think it goes something like that. Yeah. Party with Rabito. Yeah. Party with Rabito. We're jumping. Ow, you're biting me, Rabito. We're jumping up, down.